Okay, so Belkin was nice enough to send out their UltraCharger Pro 3-in-1 magnetic charging dock. I'm going to take a look at it. When I unbox it, we are going to give first impressions and review about it. I have my iPhone here all ready to go. So without further ado, let's unbox it, shall we? Okay, here we go. It says built-in fan to reduce heat, which seems pretty cool because I have noticed that every now and then if I'm charging it via MagSafe while the iPhone being it, while talking on it, it might get a little bit toasty, so hopefully this helps with that interaction. And let's open it. Okay, and now let's open it and see what it is, everything that comes with it. Okay, we have this section here with, ooh, is this a braided cable? Fancy. Braided cable. It looks like USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which should be perfectly fine because of this charging brick. The charging brick extends out via this way. And then, oh, there's also some, let's go ahead and we'll do the peel in a moment. Okay, guys. I'm going to get all of this unboxed. Okay, and then we're just going to pull this out. It looks like the main unit. Yep. Okay, so we are going to put it here. Okay, and looks like there is nothing else in the box. Let's double check that. Okay. That instruction manual. And that's the last thing in the box. Okay, and it's somewhat satisfying peel things. So let's actually peel this charger thing first. Peel, ooh, that was pretty satisfying if I'm being honest. Next to the other side, we gotta do this peel it. Ooh. I'll be honest, I really do like these peels. Okay, peel. Yeah, okay. This doesn't have a peel, but that's perfectly fine. We don't need it to have a peel. Not everything has to have a peel, guys. And then we will go to here. This also has a peel. Okay, there we go. Now, in case you guys are wondering, this is for your Apple Watch, okay? This is for your phone. This is for your AirPods. Okay, so this also goes up like this. So you can literally put it like all the way, or you can keep it there. And then your phone literally just goes right on it. Yeah. You can even do your phone this way. Hee. Perfect. There we go. And we want it even. And there we go. And it's actually a pretty strong thing, just like a regular MagSafe pack thing. And then you'd put your AirPods here. And then let me take my Apple Watch off just so I can show you how it would be placed. The Apple Watch would proceed to go here. Yeah. And there we go for all of those. And yeah, so far, so good. I do like that this is adjustable quite a bit. I have it this way just so it's easier to see on camera, but in my actual day-to-day life, I'd probably put it about here just so I can look at the phone while I'm charging it, if that makes sense. And being able to charge my AirPods here, very convenient. I know they stick to here, but I'm not sure if they charge on there. And it says it has a 25-watt battery, so, or rather 25-watt charging, so you can actually charge it super quickly, okay? You can charge it. It says it goes from 0 to 50% in 25 minutes. So, yeah, that's pretty crazy right there. That is pretty crazy. But yeah, overall, I think this is going to replace my current charger for stuff. Yeah, I think it is because, I mean, it's just so convenient. Placing phone, placing AirPods, and this is actual true MagSafe. So, see, I have it leaned up here. It's not going to fall off. It's a very powerful magnet. So, yeah, if you guys want to know more about this, I do have a link in the description below. And, yeah, hopefully you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. At the very least, you'll see what you're getting. And stay tuned to the channel because I plan on doing a follow-up with this as well, just so you guys can kind of get to know how it has performed with me, if it has made any big improvement to my workspace, because, tidy workspace, tidy minds, or whatever they say. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.